And welcome back to my Commodore Pet project, part 2, checking the voltages. Just look at a few of the voltages. This is VR6 in, minus 11. VR6 out, minus 5.1. Minus 5.1. Write that down. C24. Bugger, it's hard to get to. CR12. $12 on that side. $20 on that side. $12.26. C16. Oops. Hands in the way. We got there 5.099. C14. Could it be that one up there? $5.1. And that one there is going to be on the back side of that one. 9.8. Well, unfortunately, that's the supplies are all okay. This is the power supply diagram. We have one mains winding coming in on 1 and 5. The second mains winding is coming in on 8 and 9. And there is a very large capacitor, smoothing capacitor, and it is basically connected between 4, this point here, and 2, that point there. Between, that's the positive to the capacitor. The negative of the capacitor goes to 3 and 6, which is the ground point here, and then there's a third one that comes off and goes to the chassis. And as you can see during the video, we had minus 5 down here, we had 12 up here, we had plus 5 on this regulator, we had plus 5 on that regulator, and we had about 9 volts, which is the raw feeding the two regulators. These connectors here are on the board, but not quite sure what they're used for. They are just blank. Well, not blank, but there are headers, but nothing's ever been plugged into them. The bottom of the case has been removed from the top of the case, and the board taken out, the transformers taken out, and the metalwork given a wash in the bath to get rid of all the spider poo. Well, this is just a flying visit. Power supply's been out, cap's been out, whole thing has been in the bath, and so it's not squeaky clean, but all the spider poo is gone. So that's it so far. Tested the voltages, cleaned the bottom case. That has still got issues and needs to be cleaned. Well, if you'd like that and you want to see more, part 3 will be the cleaning of the board when I've worked out how to clean it. So if you want to see that, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in part 3.